Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a summer mixed fruit dessert. Creamy, colorful and refreshing. A perfect chill treat for hot days using simple ingredients. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons custard powder. Add 1/4 cup milk. Mix well until smooth. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. Cook on medium heat. Keep stirring. Let it boil. Add 3 tablespoons sugar and mix well. Now add the custard mixture. Custard makes the dessert smooth and creamy. Cook while stirring until it becomes thick and creamy. Add 3 tablespoons cream and mix well. Do not overcook custard to avoid lumps. Keep aside and let it cool completely. Now cut some apple, strawberries. Fruit custard is a popular summer dessert worldwide. It can be customized with any seasonal fruits. Black grapes, green grapes, and pomegranate. Mixing fruits adds natural sweetness and color. Add all the fruits into a bowl. Pour the cool custard cream mixture over the fruits. Always cool the custard before adding fruits. Mix gently and chill before serving. Fruit provide vitamins and antioxidants. Milk adds calcium and protein. Homemade desserts are healthier and fresh. You can adjust sugar as per your preference. Your refreshing mixed fruit dessert is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy the creamy fruity goodness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.